I'm Brad Williams. I'm a cotton producer in Jenner from West Tennessee. I've been farming for almost 30 years now, family farm operation, and I've seen many changes in this industry in the last 30 years. By joining the Trust Protocol as a cotton producer, I'm able to bring a good, sustainable product of cotton to the U.S. consumer and show that the U.S. cotton is a leader in sustainability in the world. Continuous improvement is very important to the U.S. cotton industry. First of all, as producers and Jenners, we look to bring a valuable product to the retailers around the world. It is our duty as stewards of the land to bring a product that's safe, sustainable, and important to the consumers around the world. Our goal is to bring a sustainable product that everybody feels safe and secure with on a daily basis. One sustainable measure that has very much been a part of our area is a decrease in energy use. Over the past 35 years, there's been a steady decrease of energy use in the production of cotton. At the present time, we have probably 55% less energy use than we did 35 years ago. Where we've seen the energy decreases in fuel consumption, water usage, and very different agricultural processes in decreasing pesticide and herbicide uses by the use of genetics, and also by the use of data that we use from year to year to let us understand what we can do to continue to decrease our amount of energy that we use to produce that one bale of cotton. Precision agriculture technology is one tool we can use to attain sustainability. By using precision agriculture, which 2/3 of the industry uses to this day, we're able to bring that acre down to one specific point. We can use precision planting, precision fertilization, precision herbicide and insecticide use, and also precision harvesting. By taking that precision data that we have at our hands, we can make decisions from year to year to change and make adjustments that are needed. One measurement that we've looked at is the decrease in fuel. With the new tractors and harvesting equipment of the day, we use a lot less fuel in the harvesting process. With the new pickers and ginning equipment in the industry, we've decreased the amount of fuel consumption and amount of labor that's needed to produce a bale of cotton. On the ginning side of producing that bale of cotton, with high efficiency motors, we've used less electricity. With learning new drying techniques, we use a lot less natural and propane gas. And also with the changing of the way we transportate that module from the field to the gin, we're using a lot less fuel and labor to achieve that goal. Another example of a decrease in energy use is with water consumption. By using moisture meters and other data, we've been able to determine when the proper use of watering of our cotton crops is needed. That also gives us a factor of a less cost for us, but it's also an environmentally sustainable act that lets us know that we do not have to overwater our cotton, and therefore we do not deteriorate the water aquifers in our area. The U.S. Cotton Trust Protocol has set a goal to decrease energy use 15% by the year 2025. With the advancing technologies and the goals that we've set for ourselves, I think that's very achievable for the U.S. cotton farmer. We'll have to learn how to accept the data that we have, make changes that we've always been able to make, and still be able to produce a viable product to the U.S. consumer as well as consumers around the world. We track and monitor our decrease in energy use year to year by looking at our data from our fertilization maps to the data from our harvest maps and using technologies that are at our fingertips on a day-to-day basis and then improving year to year. We'll be able to pinpoint that to an exact acre on our farm and to see what materials we need to put it into the soil, or there's some materials that we can leave without soil and still be able to produce that same acre of cotton. By making those changes, we're making good, sound decisions need to be made at that time that are very sustainable for everything that we need to do to produce that bale of cotton. As a U.S. producer and working through the U.S. Cotton Trust Protocol, it gives me goals to achieve future sustainability efforts from now to years to come.